If you've got a 2007 to 18 JK Wrangler with the rear cargo storage area, today we're going to be checking out this Poison Spyder rear cargo bag. This is going to fit exactly into that area. They've designed it that way. It has some easy pull straps. It's going to hold all the recovery gear and anything you want to put in there while being completely waterproof. Now this is going to fit all 07 to 18 JKs as long as you don't have the premium audio system. That's going to go right down there in that cargo area, so you won't be able to fit this. Now I'm going to show you guys how it installs, and I'll be honest, this thing's pretty cool, so you might want to check it out. All you've got to do is pop this little cover off in the back, and as you can see, we don't have anything in here just so we can set this in nicely. You're just going to go ahead and place it in there, right like so. That's basically it. You've got a nice zipper, a couple handles there. Close that up, lock it down. All your recovery gear is in there, nice, tucked away. It's waterproof. The JKs did have some issues of water coming in this section, so you definitely want to make sure that all your gear is nice and supported inside this Poison Spyder bag. Keep everything dry and looking good for a long time. Now, if you want to find this product as well as many other great parts for your JK and JL Wrangler, be sure to check us out at cjponyparts.com.